Are we rolling? I think we're rolling. Where's the Coppertop?
Hi!
There she is, alright. Welcome. Wait, we gotta do the intro. Welcome to the dumpster divers.
PC
reclamation amateur video. Again, as usual, I should zoom in a bit on you here. On the star of the show. Okay, so
Dad bought this Supercharger for like me and my sister's cameras, MP4 players. This stuff that needs to be charged.
Yeah,
overall.
Because they kept using my charger, from my toaster, which is well, I mean not a real toaster, but they call it a toaster. It's for it's kind of like an external hard drive, docking bay, cloning machine, or whatever you want to call it. But anyway, to make a long story short, it had a really good charger on it. But the problem is all these cables would be run out over top my phone when they were charging their devices. It was getting to be annoying. So I said, that's it. I'm going to get a high-speed charger for them to use. So Coppertop wants to do an unboxing video of this thing, so I have to be the cameraman.
Yeah, Dad let me do an unboxing video anyways.
Okay, so this is the
Supercharger. It's a USB charger.
Do you know the brand? Does it have a name?
96W?
A 96W Supercharger USB Supercharger. I think I paid too much for it.
6-port.
Yeah.
6 ports.
Yeah, I think I paid too much for it, but maybe not, you know. Well, $40. But it looked pretty good and it had good reviews, so.
Anyways, the tape's already removed. I don't know why. Maybe I removed it already. Ooh, I like this thing. Very cool bag thing.
The cameraman's got to move it back a bit. Okay, you gotta tell him what it's for. Okay, you did tell him what it's for. Okay, you gotta tell him. You gotta tell him what the things are for.
So this is the cable for it, like to plug it in, and this.
So it plugs into a wall.
Yeah, it plugs into a wall, and then this part goes into the thing.
The thing.
The Supercharger.
Okay, so it plugs into the outlet at the back of the Supercharger. It looks so tiny. Are you sure that thing can? Yeah, I guess it does. Six outlets. Okay, all right.
This is the Supercharger.
Okay.
These are the instructions.
Okay, now you got to tell them what the outlets are for on the front ports.
Okay, so this is. Oh, I have it upside down.
Maybe I better.
This is the QC 3.0. There's 3 of them.
Hold on. Amateur video guy does not have a proper picture of this. Okay, you got to hold it up to the camera. Now it's not up to the camera. Okay, yeah, there we are. Oh, okay, now face it to us. Okay, that's where it plugs in at the back. Okay. Now what are the top 3 for?
PD20W.
Hold on, amateur home videos is doing it again. Okay.
PD20W.
Okay.
And then those are 3 of them.
So the ones on the top are maybe USB 2.0, I'm guessing. I don't know.
I think.
Okay.
Yeah. And these are QC 3.0.
They're lime green. That looks kind of scary. Like maybe they're That's actually, I know what the green is for. It has an auto shutdown built into it. If your device is starting to get a little overcharged, it'll automatically step down the rate of charging. It automatically detects what the capacity of the device you're trying to charge is.
Dad, is this metal?
I don't think so.
Or is it plastic?
Is there things like, you know, where you get that satisfying feeling where you strip it off?
Yeah.
Does it have that?
Yeah.
Should take that off because we don't want that baking onto it.
Yeah, I know.
There you
I was
go.
just
Yeah,
waiting
you
for
got
the
to
right
peel off that stuff. So this charger, the reason I bought it is because it's got this automatic sensor in it, where it can actually determine, you know, what the best charging rate and the safest rate of charging for your device is. At the same time, providing quick charging for devices which we don't even have. Okay, such as, can you believe it, a cell phone. What else can you tell us about this?
Okay, so this would be the plug-in. It has a fancy plug-in.
Okay, so you have to show us how to do that, right?
Yeah.
Well, actually, an unboxing video doesn't necessarily include the installation and all that, but we may as well, because after all, this is an amateur video, and anybody watching this would probably be just laughing their heads off at how amateur it is. But the information is still there, you know what I mean?
Plug it in. It goes.
This is non-monetized, by the way, just so you know, watchers.
Definitely
not. All right.
Monetized.
Yeah, we're definitely not professionals.
Because we don't even post.
So does it have
everything.
a light? Does it? Hold on, let me look.
Does it have a light?
I don't know. Does it have a light? It doesn't even have a light to let you know that there's power to the device. Okay,
Well, that's
minus
fine.
the star.
Wait, yes it does.
Oh, it does. Oh, okay,
and
all right.
it's a blue light, so
Put
plus
the-
a star.
Plus a star because it's
Because
a blue light. Okay.
Dad likes blue.
I do like blue light, I have to admit. Okay, so I'm going to have to put that on my desk when I clean up my desk, and the girls can use that.
The quality
It's
looks
gonna,
really
yeah, it's going to be on my workbench where I work on computers and stuff like that. Right now it's a disaster, but we'll put it on there. And that's where my girls can do all their charging their devices without running cables over top the screen over my phone.
Whoever wants to buy this, the light is in the middle because.
Okay, well, show them. Show the camera.
Right
Hold
in
it to
the middle.
lens.
It's right there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see it.
It's
I see
fake.
it.
You can see it better.
It's nice. And you know what
through the
you know what I like about that? Hold
What?
that. Hold that thing right to the camera lens. There. See, stop. Right there. Hold it there. All right. Now hold on. I'm gonna try to zoom in on it if I can, or zoom out on it, or. Okay. All right. That blue light in the middle of that device, that fuzzy-looking device. I don't know why. This camera. When you buy an expensive camera, right? This is what you get. You get a cheap camera and you got crystal clear image. Okay, that blue light in the middle of the device. What I like about that is that it's not one of those glaring blue LED lights that blind you.
Hurt your eyes?
Yeah, it's discreet. And that's all you need. Something discreet where it lights up, you can see it's lit up, you know that there's power to the device. So
it shows it on the box too, the
it does,
blue
eh?
light.
It does. Shows it on the box. Maybe we should show them the box. Now, here. There's the box, and there's my blurry video. Okay, I don't think I can do both. Hold on, I've got this coffee. My wife makes good coffee.
Is this a static-free back?
Possibly.
It's like white-ish and like smooth, and it's just weird.
All right, hold on. And it's weird? Yeah, it's probably one of those anti-static materials. So what kind of USB does it have? Because it looks to me like it's got three USB
ports.
2 ports, but it's got 3 USB-C ports, it looks like on the top.
Ports.
Okay, yeah, read that off.
This?
Yeah.
Okay, so.
Because everything in here is Chinese. Oh no, it's made in China. Actually, that might be a good thing. 96 watts. Okay. QC 3.0, 96 watts, multifunctional USB charger. But the main reason I bought it is because it has that detection built into it. so you can never hurt your devices.
It's a 12-month warranty.
12-month warranty, so it's good for a year. And then when it dies, you're on your own. Okay, all right. Well, they don't have to see that, I don't think.
No, I'm showing you.
You're showing me. Oh, okay. So on the front of it, can you name the chargers?
PD20W. All three of these.
Yeah, those all look like USB-C type dealios. And then the bottom ports look like your standard USB type, you know.
The bottom ones are QC 3.0.
Yeah. So you could probably plug a 2.0 device in there, or a 3.0, or a 3.1, or a USB. I don't even think there is 3.0. I think they upped 3.0 to 3.1 and 3.1 to 3.2. Just for the driver update. But there it is. 2, 3. I don't think you could do USB 1 on that. But
it would stay here.
Who uses USB 1 anymore?
It says 1 port output.
Oh, it does? Does
it? It says 1 port output.
Okay. Oh, okay. We better hang on to those instructions.
2 port output, 3 port output, 4 port output, 5 port output, 6 port output.
Wow. So it actually outputs on all of those. Yeah. Yeah, there's no input. It's just all output. It's just a charger. That's all it is.
Look,
okay.
Dad.
Yeah, I will look at this. I will keep this handy.
It's pretty good.
Okay, here I'll read the specifications here. It's a
very small, right?
Model 2E TTX or model. No, I read it wrong here. See, my eyes are going. Model ZETX 96W. I'm thinking that's representing the watts. 01A, so probably goes up to 1 amp. Comma 01B, and the product dimensions 1.108 inches by length. So 108 inches width, 72 inches height, and why does it do that? And then 29 millimeters, probably wide, or whatever, or tall, or whatever, you know. Like, why do they go inches, millimeters? Why?
Because they decided to?
Yeah, but that's not consistent. That's kind of, you know, see, they're talking Chinglish here. That's what it is.
Hey.
Yeah, ABS fireproof material. That's good to know. Fireproof.
Smaller than an inch.
Runs on 240 volts at 50 to 60 hertz.
I'm sure this is a fine
DC 96 watts maximum. That's output, by the way. Interface USB 3, Type C 3. Okay, there we go. And
D-Bang C. D-Bang C. Maybe I'm probably saying
pronouncing it wrong.
I'm probably saying it wrong.
Bijang or whatever. Okay, well, anyway.
On the bottom it says D-Bang C.
Yeah, where it comes from, right? Oh, or is that the brand?
But there's two things. There's 96.
So you plug it in to charge your device and it goes da-bang. Z. That'd be scary. Okay. So it's a debanger. I'm gonna call it the debanger. So but that's the brand name. Okay, hold on.
Or is it 96W?
All right, hold on. No, it's D-Bang Z. We'll hold it up here. It's a D-Bang Z. Specially designed to keep the children off of my toaster and cords away from my telephone, where my toaster sits, because it's got a good USB charger on the front of it.
My sister is over there.
Over on my workstation, I've got another really good charger. But, you know, like, I just, leave my stuff alone. I'd rather that they charge off this, I hope. Anyway, that's it.
Over there is Shiloh.
Yeah, that's...
My sister.
We're not allowed to tell anybody about... We don't talk about Shiloh. No, no, we don't talk about Shiloh. Okay.
We don't talk about
Okay.
Shiloh.
Okay, so anyway, there we go. All right. Thank you once again for watching another exciting and
Shiloh.
uh,
Say bye to the
amateur
viewers.
home video from...
Oh yeah, almost forgot. If QWERTY is watching this, hello.
Yes, hello, QWERTY.
Hi,
We have a
QWERTY.
friend, we call him QWERTY.
Yes.
All right, and inside gamer joke. Okay, all right. God bless you all, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.